Hello, guys. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, from wherever you are reading from today. We are going to talk about a very important aspect of our digital marketing life. And I know this is going to be a very, very important stuff for you, especially if you have a new business, if you are an upcoming business and you just discover social media. This is one awesome tutorial you want to pay attention to. So if you are on this channel for the very first time, you're welcome. This is Fast Giddy tutorial and we are all about teaching you how to explore and achieve different goals with different platforms and different softwares together. So today we're going to learn how to create a Facebook page for your business. And of course, this is a very, very important stuff because the world is going digital. Every business these days is looking for how to position themselves on the social media. And so today we're going to see how to create that awesome business page that can help you reach a lot of customers. Even those that are not yet used to your service, you can offer your service to them. Those that are not within your location, you can reach them using Facebook page. So let us see how this is done. Well, for a start, I'm going to assume that you already have a Facebook account, and if you already do, let's start by logging into our account. So if you're going to log into your Facebook account, and that is the very, very first step. So when you log into your Facebook account, you're going to put your eyes right on the left hand part of the screen when you log into your Facebook page, just as I have right here on my screen. Yes, as you can see, my name is Richard Machuku, and this is my YouTube channel where I talk about this stuff. So let us start by going into our YouTube channel. This is it. And if you want to create a page, the first thing you want to do is go at this down pointing triangle and click on it. You see, it says see more. When you click on see more, it's going to expose other aspects of these Facebook tools and shortcuts to you. And the one thing you want to locate right here is the pages tool. You see this pages tool? This is where we're going to enter if we want to create a new Facebook page for our business. So in order to create your first business page on Facebook, what you're going to do is to click on pages, and if you click on pages, you are going to be exposed to other pages that you've managed before. But assuming you don't have any other page here, assuming you are new to Facebook, you're just doing this for the first time, everything you see here will be blank. That simply means you're not going to find anything here. But because you are new, and this is I already have some pages existing here before, so you're going to locate where it says page here. Just below that, you're going to see create a new page, and this is where you want to click on. So you want to click on create new page. Now when you click on create a new page, you're going to find a little sidebar here where you're going to enter the page name, the category, and then the bio. And then here as well, you're going to see towards the middle of the page where it says desktop review. This means as you are entering your as you're making your entries here, as you're putting your categories here, as you're making your bio here, you're going to see a snapshot of everything you're doing right here at the middle at the desktop review section. So let's get right to it. So let's assume this is a kind of, let's call it, let's say we have a digital marketing business, and so we want to call it Fast Giddy, let's say digitals. Yeah, this is where we're going to market our business using social media business, maybe our business like maybe email marketing, maybe social media marketing, social media management, and all of that. So we want to offer this using our Fast Giddy Digitals as our business page on Facebook. So with this now, we've already entered the name, which is Fast Giddy Digitals. Next is we want to enter the category now. Your business falls into different categories depending on where you are and what you're doing. If you are into food, you might likely choose maybe restaurants. Maybe you want to pick maybe food sales or food processing. If you are into drinks or wines, you want to select maybe beverages and all of that. So because we are into digital marketing, on the category section, we're going to have to enter the category which is digital marketing. We can say digital marketing, we can say social media agency, and all of that. So we can say, okay, we say digital media agency or social media agency. So I like to use social media agency since it's the closest. Okay, let's take that. And then the bio, this is where we give a little bit of description about what we do. So the bio allows you to maybe to say a few lines of message to anybody that finds your page out there. That is just what they are going to, know your page for. So um, let's say a digital, sorry for that, guys. So a digital marketing hub for reaching out to businesses. Okay, so let's end with this. This is not really one of the best right now, but we're just going to work with this because we don't want this video to be very, very long. So we're going to say, okay, create a page. Now, at this point now, we have already entered the name of the page you want to create. We have put in the category, and now the next is the bio, and we have as well done that. So the next thing we want to click on now is create page. This will now allow Facebook to proceed to creating our page for us. So let's click on create page. Okay, now we have clicked on create page and it is processing it for us. And at this point, this is where we're going to set up the other details that concerns our page. And you can see it has given us one of 5 steps. So even after entering your Facebook page name, the category, and a little bit of the bio, you are still going to enter other details. Like one, you're going to have to enter your contact details, now this includes your business website, your phone number, your email address, and then you're going to enter location details, which includes your business address, where is your business located, the town, and then the zip code, and then the hours at which you operate. So let us fill this up as well. So I'm going to use one of my websites, and I'm going to call it the website is going to be https, and I'm going to say color slash slash, and it's going to be fastgd.com. Let's just assume this is our business name, and then because I am a Nigerian, I'm going to select my Nigerian code. Then I'm going to enter my phone number, which is 070. Let's call it 11111111. I don't want Facebook to start hitting on me. So now the email section is where you are going to enter the email account people coming to your business is going to be able to locate you with. So I'm going to say, okay, it's going to be fast gd at gmail.com. So this is it. Then the address. Where is my business located? Where can they find my business? This is more like your physical address, where you are located within the city. So within the city, we are located at number 75. Let's call it Headway Avenue. Say Headway Avenue. And then what city? The city we're going to say the city is Lagos. That's Lagos is in Nigeria. And then what is the zip code? We can just use any random one. So we can say, okay, 234012. Yeah, let's just use that. And then the hours. Now, this hour section is very important because you don't want to mislead your customers. You want them to have the right information. So if you know your business is a 24 hours business, you want to make sure you work with the always open option here. This is the option where you're going to select, okay, the business is always open. Now, if you don't know the hours of your business, or if you don't know your business open hour, for the time being, you can say, okay, you don't know the business hour, or maybe no hours available. But then because you know what you're doing and your business has existed, so you know when you open your shop, or you know when you open your restaurant, you know when you open your hotel, you know when you open your shop to attend to your customers. So that is what you are going to enter here. So if you have a cafe, if you have a restaurant, if you have whatever you're doing, this is where you're going to specify the time at which your business opens. So because I'm going to leave it at always open because I'm assuming that it's a 24-hour running business, so we don't have any time for closing. Our staffs have 3 shifts: morning, afternoon, and night. So at this point, we are going to say, okay, next. Now, when you click on next, it's going to go to the step 2 of 5, and then you're going to just keep supplying information, because the more information you supply, the more the page health grows. And you don't want to create a page with poor health. The good health actually helps Facebook to suggest your page to more people, and helps them to know that your page is legitimate and not into something illegitimate, or maybe not something suspicious. That is what you achieve when you ensure you enter every detail that concerns your business. So let's continue. I'm going to add a profile picture. This is likely going to be a kind of, let's say, it's going to be maybe related to what we do. Let's say maybe like our business logo or whatever. We're going to do that here. So I've selected that now. I call it Fast Giddy. So then our ad cover, this ad cover is going to be the background upon which our business is going to be based on. So we're going to select this one. We have as well added this cover. So you see now it is here. This is our cover, and then we are going to say next. Mind you, there's also something here that says add action button. This action button allows you to maybe allow people to message you directly or call you or message you on WhatsApp and all of that. So let us see what happens when we click on add action button. So if you click on add action button, it's going to ask us to customize our action button, and then we're going to look at it here, and then you see it is asking us book now. So if you are offering a booking services, you're going to use this. If you are offering a sign up services, maybe they need to sign up to be able to use your service, you need to click on this. If you are going to start order, maybe you have a restaurant or whatever, you use this. And if you're going to have them view your shop and see stuffs, you use this view shop. And then if you sell tickets and all of that, you're going to use this. But then the best one I like to use most often is the send email option, which allows them to send me an email directly and all of that. So I'm going to say here, I'm going to add my email, which is fastgd@gmail.com. So now that I've done this, I will click on save. And now I click on save, and that is it there. It has been entered. You can see now the thing has changed. It's no longer asking me to add, but instead it's asking me to edit. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on next. We're going to click on next to take us to the next page. To take us to the next page to see what we're going to enter again. So at this point, I'm going to click next. Okay, next has been clicked, and you can see it's working now to take us there. Yes, so at this point, it's asking us to enter our WhatsApp number. Yes, it's asking us to enter our WhatsApp number, and when we do this, this allows us to verify this page and let Facebook know that actually we are good to deal with. So at this point, I want to enter my real WhatsApp number so that they can be able to contact me. Um, I'm going to have to enter my WhatsApp number. So as well, you start by entering your country code, which is +234 for Nigeria, and then you're going to enter the phone number, your WhatsApp phone number, and then after doing this, they're going to send the code to your WhatsApp account. So let's assume that our existing WhatsApp business account, and then with that, I'm going to have to enter it because they have sent it to my phone, to my WhatsApp, and then I've confirmed it. And at this point now, our page is almost completed. So you can see it says page health is what is good, and then you say compared to similar pages with high engagement. So you see this point now we're going to say okay next. When we say next, it's going to ask us if we want to invite friends. So let's assume I want to invite a friend here. So I'm going to just click on here, and then I will look for any of my friends to invite. This actually helps Facebook to, it helps Facebook to know that okay, you are actually serious with this, and then they're going to add someone to your list. So we're going to just mark this person, and then we're going to invite them to the page. And then once we are done with that, we say next. At this point now, I think the creation stuff is almost completed. So we're going to say done. When we say done, it means that we are done with creating this Facebook page. It means that this Facebook page is now well created, it is fully active, and it can be used for whatever you want to do. But I want to beg you, if you know you are into maybe some kind of Facebook marketing or whatever, you want to give it some time because at times it might not really start working instantly for you to use your new Facebook page to create advertisement and all of that. So you want to give it some time before you can actually start advertising with your new Facebook page. So if this is how to create a very, very, very brand new business page on Facebook. And like this now, we can actually start marketing your products with this page. You can promote your products and services. If you have physical products, you can add them on this page for them to be able to reach more customers and all of that. And if you want to push it further, you can use Facebook advertising. Do not worry, guys. In another video, we are going to teach you how to reach more customers using Facebook advertising. But for now, I encourage you to like this YouTube channel, subscribe to the channel, and share our video with your friends. And please, guys, like this video to help YouTube suggest it to more people so that we can be able to create more. What actually helps us to be able to create more things for you is when we realize that these things mean so much to you. And how do you show us that it means so much to you? You show this when you like the video, when you subscribe to the channel, and you share with others. So for now, guys, I will see you in another video. This is just it for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share our YouTube channel, and keep a date with us as we're going to release more and more and more interesting videos for your listening and watching pleasure. So see you next time, guys. Bye.